Is your washer not working? Is the lid lock light blinking? Before calling a repairman, let's troubleshoot and fix it in just a few steps. You're going to learn how to recalibrate your washer, ensure everything works correctly. If it doesn't, your washer will tell you why. This method works for Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, Admiral, Crosley, and similar brands. Step 1. Run recalibration mode, factory reset. First, let's recalibrate the washer to reset its functions. Make sure the washer is turned off, the drum is empty, and the lid is closed. Turn the control dial one full 360-degree counterclockwise rotation. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and then 1 more click to the right. If all lights blink, you have successfully entered diagnostic mode. If not, reset and try again at a different speed. Next, turn the dial 4 clicks to the right until only the rinse light is on. Press start, and the recalibration cycle will begin. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is done, the lid will unlock and the washer will shut off. Now, test the machine to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, let's move on to error codes. Step 2. Retrieve error codes. If recalibration did not fix the problem, let's check the washer's built-in diagnostic system for error codes. Make sure the washer is off and all indicator lights are off. Turn the control dial one full 360-degree counterclockwise rotation. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and then 1 more click to the right. If the lights blink, you have successfully entered diagnostic mode. If not, reset and try again. To retrieve error codes, turn the dial 1 click to the right, then press start. The washer will display up to 4 error codes, each starting with an F for fault, followed by a number, and an E for error, followed by another number. Now that you have the error code, you can identify which part needs to be replaced.